Hi everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. Today we're actually going to be taking a look at how to create an album in photos. So first, all you have to do is open the Photos app for the first step, and of course it opens to your camera roll. Before this, went on Google actually and looked at some pictures, uh, like non copyright pictures, so that I can show you guys how to. So let's go over to the select in the upper right hand corner right here, and then and the way you know that you're in select mode is the select button will turn to a cancel button. So now all you want to do is click on all the photos you want to put in. I'm actually not going to do that one. I'm going to skip that one. You do these two and this one, and maybe this one because this one looks pretty cool. Okay, then now we share it. We go down and we go to add to album. And then we can, of course, scroll through all of these and we can add a new album, enter a name for this album. Let's call this views. Let's put a emoji for, and that looks pretty cool. Save. Okay, now there we go. Now we can go to albums, go to views. And then there we go. We simply have all of the pictures that we added to our album. So all you have to do to add a picture to an album after you've already created it, actually two ways. The first way and the easiest way is to go to your library and then just go into select mode again, and we can do the exact same thing that you did earlier, add to album, and of course you can add multiple at a time. So then the other way is to actually press this plus, and then from here we can choose anything we want. So I'm actually going to do this picture from Google of Tim Cook and Apple Park, which is kind of like a view, you know? Um, so yeah, that's how to create a album in photos. So if another cool thing is if you click the three dots, you can filter it, rename, play memory movie, slideshow, stuff like that, aspect ratio, everything. You can also look at the lens information, no lens information, yeah, 155 gigabytes. Okay, now that's really good information from the Photos app. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And before you guys leave, just one more thing. We're actually working on a documentary, and this documentary is expected to be out in October. So anytime in October, we'll have more information on that really soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next iHelp video. Bye.